Hello, welcome everyone. You have reached a place for all the water enthusiasts and all those who care for water and who are looking for innovative solutions. You're right here. So what are we into? We are into a zero power, zero maintenance, and a zero chemicals water-based solution consultants. So we handpick the innovations. Our biggest problem is we need solutions and that are maintenance free, that don't consume any power, and main thing is that yes, no chemicals again in it. So our single-minded focus is on all these things, and where we have been catering to, we are already in and around Hyderabad, and we have been catering to all IT companies, townships, individuals, and all the industries in and around. Here you go. So this is the place where you can get more details, and you've got all the contacts here. Let's look at quickly the 5 problems which we right now have. Yes, is the rainwater which is getting wasted where you see when the rain is falling and then it's just getting into the drains, is that something which is a bigger problem? I think yes. Then the second thing, drying up of borewells. Our borewells are getting, nowhere. There's no water. And then is there a solution for it again? And you know something? You can save around 30 to 40% of water by just taking care at our own homes. And just taking care of our own taps. I'm not talking about the leakages, but the way how we can provide a solution there. And then one of the key things again is you should be facing some hard water and a lot of scales in it, which is actually spoiling our equipments, right? And then you just don't need that scale. You're finding it very problematic to maintain it if you're going for a conventional softeners wherein you put a lot of salt and all, and then you need people to take care of it. Do you want to go away from that? Yes, there is a solution. Okay, and then how about having a portable filter where you don't need to change a filter during your lifetime? Just avoid all the AquaGuard and all those things wherein you spend a lot of money and also you're losing minerals. Okay, so here are the problems and here are the solutions for you. Yeah, so how about actually saving the rainwater? So as it rains, just save it in your sump, and then over and above that you can even send it to your harvesting pit. So you are ensuring that it's a zero wastage of water. How does it happen? This is the small filter which you should be seeing here. This is the one. So this is a product wherein it consumes no power. It just works on gravity. So to the outlet from the roof, you just connect this particular filter. It will remove all the dust and dirt through this outlet because it has got 2 outlets. And this side is where the pure water comes in. Okay, you can directly collect it in the sun. Very simple. Absolutely zero maintenance, and then no power, no chemicals. Yeah, a simple analogy on what you can save. So this is something, if you get an annual rainfall of 1000 mm, then 1000 square feet roof area can save around 1 lakh liters of water. So typically Hyderabad gets around 750 mm, and so you can save around 75,000 liters of water. As per the statistical analysis or the water board, this is equivalent to 3 people's annual requirements. That's just getting wasted. All of us can act together very quickly and implement this one. Then let's get to the features and advantages. This is something which has got the most innovative water saving product award, and this has got all eco-friendly and recyclable plastics, and then no power, no consumables, and then you don't need to change anything. The life is expected to be around 15-20 years. Fit and forget and just use the rainwater. So what can we do together? Yes, I think this is the biggest asset which you can pass it on to your children. This is a liquid gold, right? Let's instantly start using the fresh rainwater. Let's avoid all the clogging on the roads, and let's contribute to the society and ourselves as well. Then the second solution, the borewell recharge. I think this is the most common problem. There's no point in drilling bores again and again when there's no water inside. So this is one technology which is injection well technology. This is something like which you do around 5 to 10 feet a distance from your existing bore. So what it does is it will collect all the surface water which is actually flowing and getting wasted. It gets collected in the sill trap, and this is the technology which is called as a VWAT injection technology. What it does is, in brief, all the water gets collected. This is like a well which collects all the water, and then there is this VWAT screens and a perforated pipe which will be getting into around 150 feet or 200 feet deep into the earth, so that it will go until the water layers where they're available. Usual harvesting is done to about 5 to 10 feet, so the water doesn't get absorbed very quickly, and that doesn't get into the layers where the water channels are available. So this is taking to place where there are water layers, and then because our bore is something very near to this, it gets recharged. And there are many success stories on this. This is the next solution. Another common problem. Yeah. What about continuous access to soft water, or the conditioned water, you should say? Zero scales, zero algae, zero chemicals, and zero maintenance. So this is where we introduced you to the instant water conditioner. So typically the water, we just try to avoid all the minerals, but you know what happens is that water has got all the minerals, and if you can, calcium, magnesium, these are not unwanted actually, these are wanted. But then if you can change the physical characteristics of the water, you can actually condition. You can get the same results like a soft water, like a good leather when you wash it with water. Okay, and then all the scales in the pipes which will actually spoil all our equipments like washing machines, geysers, and then taps get choked. Okay, for all these things, this is the simplest solution. At the same time, no maintenance, you just fit it. Okay, this is how it comes in. So to your existing bore or the sump, the pipe running through that, this is the equipment which will be connected. And how does it work? It's like, for a layman term, it is more like a laser beam, which is breaking the calcium particle size, which is the main contributor for the scales. It will even remove the existing scales in the pipe. That's the beauty of it. Yes, a couple of other solutions available. This is something like you can, with the AquaGuard and everything, what we have right now, we are wasting a lot of water. For every 2 liters of water, 1 liter is getting wasted. So how about actually, again, no maintenance, no chemicals, no power filter. So we found this is one of a good solution, wherein this is like how the muddy water gets into this particular filter, and this has got a kidney dialysis filter which will remove all the biological impurities. Okay, and this is the clean water which you get. This again is one of the good solutions, wherein at home or when you go out you can just use the solution. This is like a bucket version. You can put in the Manjira water which comes in 20 liters. We generally require so much of water, maybe 10 liters or 20 liters, and just collect this filter. Again, works on a gravity, and it takes the same time to fill 8 liter in 20 minutes like an AquaGuard does. So finally, what it means is that yes, let's put a stop to all the unwanted, power consuming, maintenance involved solutions. So you can always explore this. This is the last one which I have right now under our umbrella. This we found to be very good again, wherein I said 30 to 40% of the water savings you can just get by fitting these small gadgets into your taps. Maybe one in your kitchen, one in your bathroom, and then you can see how much saving you can do. So what it does basically, this is the rod. So just like a sensor, when you touch this rod, the water comes in. The second you remove from it, it will stop. So this is more like a mechanical device. A simple analogy, if when you brush your teeth, we consume around, just leave it, just for this 1 minute and 2 minutes, around 6 liters. But then now once you start using this, you will find yourself about 1.5 liters is what you really require. So you are saving around 4.5 liters, which is around 75%. Same thing we do during our shaving and all. We let the tap just go away. So why not we save with this? Okay. So these are the couple of solutions which we have under the umbrella of SSL Enterprises, which is being promoted by a woman entrepreneur, Nandana. Do share your feedback, and then we have got a couple of case studies here as well for one of the townships, wherein you know how much they can save with the roof area what they have with the solution of rainy water filters. They can save around 2.3 crore liters of water. And then this is the other one which has been implemented by Capgemini, an IT company, and they've got the most sustainable DC award. They've gone to the second stage of using it. So similar case studies and testimonials are available for all the solutions where people have been implementing and finding it useful. So this is, we just thought that we'll make a little suggestions for all of you. Explore this, and When you're comfortable and when you think that yes, this makes sense, go implement it and be practitioners. Welcome, and welcome to the people who've been practitioners in saving water. Thank you. Let's save water. That's the liquid good.